Assalamu alaikum class 2. This is your science class. We were studying about seasons. So please open your books on page number 47. We were studying about seasons. Today we are going to study about summer. So please open your books and put your fingers on the words. Are there times in the year when you feel very hot? Is there any time in the year when you feel very hot? In summer, it gets warm and sunny. We wear light clothes and try to keep ourselves cool. So, in the summer, we wear light clothes and we try to keep ourselves cool. The days are long and hot. The days of the summer are long and hot. In summer, people go to lakes, streams, rivers, or the seaside to keep cool. So, in the what happens in the summer? In the summer, the people go to lakes and the people go to streams and rivers to or to the seaside to make themselves cool. How do you keep cool on a hot day? Now you have to you have to how do you keep cool on a hot day? Because we can turn on AC also and we can go to streams, rivers and pools also. So the next season is autumn. AUTUMN, autumn. AUTUMN, autumn. Autumn comes just before winter. A cool dry wind blows. Autumn comes before winter, making the leaves fall from the trees. So autumn comes before the winter, and what happens in autumn? It is a cool dry wind. It makes the leaves fall from the trees. Animals that sleep during winter begin collecting and eating food. So those animals which are going to sleep during winter, for example bears, they hibernate, they also sleep during winter. So they are going to do what? They are going to collect the food and they are going to start eating the food, and then they'll sleep throughout the winter. They know they will not find much food in the cold winter. So they are not going to find food in the cold winter, so they are going to collect the food now and eat it now. Birds fly away to warmer places. So remember when we were studying about spring. Spring is a warmer season. Spring is a season which is a little hot than winter and autumn. So the birds are going to fly in autumn. Where are they going? They are going to places where there is spring. So they don't want cold weather to live. They're doing what? They are flying away they are flying away to warmer places, and they are leaving the cold places, okay, where they can live food and a place to live, where they can find food and place and a place to live. What happens to the trees in your garden? So in the garden, what happens to the trees? The trees are going to get yellow and the leaves are going to fall like this, okay. Now the now the next season, in winter, the air becomes cold. So what happens in winter? The air becomes cold and chilly. Chilly also means very cold. We creep out of bed. Creep out means we just come out of the bed and it's very hard for us to come out of the bed because it is very warm inside the bed, and in the morning it is very cold and outside, and put on some warm clothes. In winters, we we have to put warm clothes. The days get shorter and the nights are cold and long. So the days are going to get short and the nights are going to be long and cold. The mountain tops are covered with snow. The mountain tops are also covered with snow. Some animals sleep in the cold winter. So for example, as I told you, like for example bears, the bears are going to sleep in the cold. If it is too cold, then even children do not play outdoors because sometimes it is really cold. So the children will also not play outside. What indoor games do you play in the winter? There are many indoor games, for example ludo and carom boards, which we can play inside the home. And this is how the trees become in the winter. There are no leaves, there are no flowers, nothing. And then when the next season comes, which is the spring, the trees will have the leaves and the flowers again. Now the monsoons, what are monsoons? In Pakistan, the summer season is also wet. So what happens during the summer in Pakistan? The there is too much of rainfall. Very often there are thick grey clouds in the sky. So we are talking about summer. In the summer, in some of the countries, it is rainy also. So there are thick gray clouds on the sky. The wind begins to blow, and there may be some or a lot of rain. So sometimes it's a little rain and sometimes it's a lot of rain. What do you do when it rains? What do you do when it rains? What happens to the roads and the trees? So the trees, they get we if we go outside in the rain, the trees get wet, and the roads are also filled with water. Sometimes, yes, when the rainfall is more, there is water on the road, and sometimes there is no water.